rat gun market, post gun market, rat dig hole and the other one. Yeah, so then that's where we left off. So we're picking up from right here, and we're going to continue. So I'm going to let this beautiful lady continue from where that part was finished. Yes.
All right. Good evening. Good evening.
Welcome, good evening, welcome to another video. This video this evening is a continuation from one of our previous videos that we did where we were speaking about the Jamaican rituals, and we want to continue from where we left off, because where we left off we were saying that rat gun market, post gun market, rat dig hole and the other one. Yeah, so then that's where we left off. So we're picking up from right here, and we're going to continue. So I'm going to let this beautiful lady continue from where that part was finished. Yes.
All right. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to Free Flow Chat. All right. Many people believe them and practice them, and so we are going to continue from where we left off. Rats here, dogs here, walla, pussy here.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright.
Yes.
Anytime you see dog at the wall, you begin to get frightened.
Yes.
Because you believe say somebody are go dead.
Yes. Yes.
Worse if the dog are out. Right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
worse if you see panning back.
Oh Lord.
People begin to get frightened.
And it usually happens, and a lot of times when these things happen, it usually happens. I mean, people are scared that these kind of happening, because nobody don't want to, in a situation where they lose somebody. So when I see these type of situation when dogs are behaving like this, it's a cause for concern. So many of us do believe that these things are real. Yeah.
And the other one is, you don't push baby through window because the baby will turn thief.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
And oftentimes these things happen, because sometimes when people grow up to become thief, you hear say they used to go through window. So a lot of people don't practice to put baby through window.
Yes, so we have to be careful, have to be careful.
The other one is, if you buck your toe, a bad luck.
Yeah.
A lot of people, if they're going out and then buck their toe, they nobody go to the place where they was going to go.
Yeah.
So that was a f***ing lie.
Because they believe that a bad luck. So they don't bother.
Oh my God. If you wear 1 foot of shoes, your parents are all dead. And many of us grow up, and many of us usually wear 1 foot of shoes same way, but we never take it serious. But I don't know if it's really real, because this is what we have believed for the longest time. That if we wear 1 foot of shoes, one of our parents, we are killing one of our parents. For those of us who are privileged to have both. Because what about if only one parent you have? You only want. You only want to wear the 1 foot of shoes, and then the single one we have gone. So, one next thing I get.
And a lot of people put Bible over baby head. When the baby is small, put Bible over baby head. I'm guilty of that one, because when my daughter born, people tell me that I must put my daughter in red.
Yes.
So my daughter in red shimmies and red shorts and a red thing on her hand.
And the reason for that is that most times somebody in the area died, because many of the times it's really fresh death. So somebody died very recent, and to really protect the children, you put them in these things to really ensure that the spirit of that person don't come and mess around with that child. It is also said that some people use tape measure over their door, especially if somebody died directly from out of your household. Some put tape measure over the house or over the door to really prevent the deceased spirit from coming to the house. But I don't know how that will stop. The spirit of the person who is dead. So I don't know that part there. But people have practiced this for a long time now. I don't know if it's currently happening now, because that in those years, 20, 30 years ago, people never used to, they were on refrigerator. In
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You serious?
those days, I just like 3 days, they put them out of a zinc and thing and then them bury them. So say in those years, those dead were more stronger, but what do you think?
If your dreams see all dead, that is a frightening one also.
Yeah.
And you dead.
Yes, because some weeks ago, I went to my bed and I dreamed see a person that died a few years ago. And, I am very concerned about that dream, because
Easter just gone the other day, and a lot of people believe in putting egg white in a glass.
yes.
Some persons are very much afraid, because I remember when I was a young child that I wanted to put the egg in the glass, and my mother said no, because they say anything is sure.
Yes.
It can show plane, it can show coffin, or it can show a ship.
Yes.
So she said no, she not chance that one day.
Yes.
So we never get the opportunity to see whether or not that one is true.
I heard about it myself, and a lot of people did set those things going on. A lot of people set it from, I think it was from Thursday night, and then Friday morning, or I think a Good Friday. Yeah, look, that's the go.
Yeah, man.
I think it was something like that. Just to see where I get. Yeah. So I don't know.
They say enough it show water outside at night. Can you will show water upon ducky?
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay.
And you know if you sweep out your house at night either. Can you will sweep those pan ducky?
Well, me sweep at night when we're there. The sweep that's what all outside the world. I guess I'm very fortunate not to throw on any spirit, but we throw outside the world and sweep the world. So I guess that may or may not be true. I don't know.
The other one is when a person dies, you must wear red. Special colors. If you're a woman, you wear red panty or red tights. For the man, you wear red brief.
No, but when you say when a person dies, who's that
When
person
a
talking
person
about?
dies in your house, especially your man or
Yes.
your woman.
No, you're talking.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
Yes, man. Else the man will come play with the pumps. Come play with pum pum. And the woman will come play with the balls.
till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
That was easy.
Well, only
When you man, I make you get big.
and the bag alone.
So people, they go to the funeral home and they take off pum pum hair and tie on the man's finger. That he no come back.
Oh,
They
God.
throw him out. So if he stay out. And
So when the man when the woman die now, when man go funeral home, what should he do?
and the woman, me hear afraid about the
Eh?
man.
No.
Me don't hear the man afraid about the woman.
Gotta go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Seriously. No, because you have some man they love they start out they love it. So someone they love it, some girl love they body more now man love vagina. And it's just what about those men where that woman died. What happened to that man? Because that man had to find some way to protect female asset. Because that woman is going to come back and give him help. So.
Well, me don't know about the man, but me know about the woman. The woman afraid about the man. Me don't know if the man afraid about the woman. But anything when me see them, for me all time people they do it, me I go do. If it come to the test, I hit me I go do.
Yeah.
So I think we have covered a few this evening, and we don't want to be long and drawn out. So thanks for watching Free Flow Chat FFC TV. Have a good evening and goodbye.
All right. Take care.